at General Motors and other companies, and I got General Motors. I didn't get them. General Motors decided after a long time spent talking to me, left an awful lot of Americans out. Brian does what all historians unfold. I'm confident. No, I really mean it. Schools so they can cook more meals from scratch, purchase more food from local farmers and ranchers. By the way, get her phone number. I'll call you, okay? No, I'm serious. Okay? All right? I know. I got to go. Anyway.
We love you, We love you. We love you. We love you.